The 2013 Shelby GT500 is arguably one of the most iconic Mustangs ever made. And if you're like me and simply can't pony up the money for an actual GT500, or you just don't need all that much car, this wheel and tire kit is a great way to get some of the 2013 GT500's unique flavor and some additional performance for your 2015 to 2023 Mustang EcoBoost, V6, or GT. Providing the good looks and performance here are a set of 4 wheels and tires featuring 20 by 8.5 inch GT500 style wheels with a 30mm offset and 255/35R20 Lionhart LH5 tires. Free mounting and balancing is also included with your purchase, and this is a square setup, so you have 4 of the exact same width wheels and tires, meaning that you can rotate these around the car to help extend tire life. This combination will give you plenty of grip as well with the performance-oriented features of the LH5s, but it still provides an excellent balance of affordability and performance, making it a great choice for a daily driven car. You get good tread life, a cool look, and excellent performance, all for one of the best prices in the segment. Now, the big standout in this kit is, of course, the wheels. The 2013 GT500 style wheels have been a favorite since that car debuted, but we here at American Muscle wanted you all to be able to get some of that style without having to spend a fortune. These feature that wide mesh design, and you get a little bit of a concavity to them, so that combined with the 30mm offset and the 8.5 inch width on these particular wheels make these a really nice fit for your car. Now, unlike the OEM GT500 wheels that inspired these, this set is finished in gloss black for that extra little bit of aggression. Now, another place where these differ from the original GT500 wheels is the sizing. These ones are 20 inches in diameter, so they're a bit larger than the ones that inspired them. And since the wheels in this kit are all the same size, again, that means you can rotate them to extend the tire's life. Now, this kit will also fit on your car even if you have it lowered up to 2 inches without any rubbing or clearance issues, which will also help extend the life of your tires. Now, speaking of the tires that give you the additional grip to go with your upgraded good looks, this kit features a set of 255/35R20 Lionhart LH5s. Now, these are quite possibly the best kept secret on the market because they are a true performance bargain. These are an ultra high performance all season, meaning that they can serve as your only set of tires on a Mustang that is driven year round. And they have all the hallmarks of a solid performance tire. Look at the treads and you'll see large circumferential grooves and deep sipes in the tread blocks to help dispel water, debris, and snow, making them plenty capable even in adverse conditions. They also feature an asymmetric tread pattern with large outer shoulder blocks and a wide central rib to give them really good grip in the dry. The LH5 also features an advanced heat-resistant silica compound and reinforced sidewall to enhance grip and responsiveness, so these can easily take you from your daily commute to the track, and they'll be plenty capable in either scenario. However, it is important to keep in mind that these are labeled as an M+S all-season tire, so there has to be a balance between performance, longevity, and wet grip. Now, that compound is going to be a bit softer than traditional all seasons, which gives you the grip, and that is evidenced by the A traction and A temperature rating, as well as the 320 tread wear rating. So don't expect to get 60,000 miles out of a set of these, especially if you're really putting them through their paces. These will also not perform as well in deep snow and ice as a true winter tire. However, the performance per dollar really cannot be overstated here. The LH5s carry a W speed rating, meaning that they are rated for up to 168 miles per hour, which should be plenty. As always with our kits, this one includes free mounting and balancing. Now, you can either have your wheels and tires mounted and balanced by us, and then we will ship them to you completed and ready to mount on your car, or we will ship you everything separately, and we will set you up with an appointment at a local shop where they will mount and balance your kit free of charge. Now, you can also choose to have the correct TPMS sensors included for an additional charge when you make your purchase. However, free installation of those is also included. The wheels here are cast aluminum, meaning that they are all one piece and thus pretty strong. Now, aluminum is widely used for wheels because of its lightweight and its strength, so you don't have super heavy wheels slowing you down. Now, this set in particular features that gloss black powder coating over top for some additional good looks and protection against corrosion. So treat them well, they should last you a good long time. As for the LH5s, well, we talked about most of that already in that they feature that all-season rated compound, the A traction and A temperature rating, plus the 320 tread wear rating, in addition to the reinforced sidewalls, the deep sipes, the large center rib, wide outer tread blocks, and asymmetric design for enhanced grip, stability, and wet weather performance. You'll also find an XL load rating and a heat-resistant compound, and these do come with a 30,000 mile tread wear warranty, meaning that the LH5s are strong and they can maintain the performance characteristics characteristics even when they've got some heat in and you've been working them hard. Now when it comes to the price, this kit falls very much on the more affordable side of the spectrum. And in fact, it is one of the most affordable kits that we offer for the S550. So if you're after some additional performance and OEM Plus style good looks at a really attainable price point, this kit is the perfect choice for your Mustang. Installation gets an easy 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should only take you around 30 minutes to complete. Now you will need a couple of things such as a floor jack and the proper socket for your impact gun or breaker bar, your wheel lock key if your car is equipped with wheel locks, and a torque wrench. And it's a very simple job as you would expect. If you can change a tire, you can do this yourself, no problem. These wheels are designed to bolt right onto your car with no modifications needed. And like we mentioned earlier, even if you've got your car lowered up to 2 inches, these will fit without additional modifications with no rubbing or clearance issues. That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of this wheel and tire kit featuring the 2013 GT500 style wheels and the Lionhart LH5 all-season tires, with 20x8.5-inch wheels and a 30mm offset and 255/35 R20 size tires, designed to fit all 2015 to 2023 Mustang EcoBoost, V6, and GT models. Thank you so much for watching, and for everything Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.